Yeah. Grind Session Diaries. We live in an undisclosed location, so y'all don't know where we at. Not like y'all need to know where we at. Triple D's. You already know. Part whatever you want to call it, because it's going to be a whole bunch of these motherfuckers. But, yeah. Right now we rocking with the man of the house, man. He just want to tell you like three words, letting you know, look out for them Triple D's. Money M. Bangers, Track Tritty, Wolf the Monster, Trigger Trey, you know what I mean? Dutch. Shouts out to Chineva Lee, rest in peace, you know what I mean? We're going to keep this moving, let you know we're not playing.
Ow.
No games.
Ow.
And we should have been doing this a long time ago. So we would have had like 1 million people. But, you know, you got to start somewhere. You got to crawl before you walk. Feel me? But, yo, we over and out. And you're going to see us again. Holla.
Yeah. This Big Mouth Brothers Barbershop.
Yeah.
Watch out for them Triple D boys. You know
They
do what they do when they do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Allergic to lames. You know my name.
Yeah.
Holla.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, he could cut. Nigga. Yeah.